If your Todoist projects are starting to feel a little crowded and you want a cleaner view without removing any of your work, this tutorial is going to help. Today, I'm going to show you how to hide subtasks in Todoist so you can collapse long task lists, stay organized, and focus only on the main items you need to see. This is especially useful if you manage big projects, recurring workflows, or detailed checklists with lots of subtasks underneath each parent task. If this video helps, please take a second to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software tutorials just like this one. It really helps the channel and it helps me keep making useful videos for you. Alright, let's jump right in. To hide subtasks in Todoist, first open Todoist and go to the project or list where your tasks are located. Make sure you are viewing your tasks in list view, because that's where this feature is easiest to use. In list view, you'll notice that parent tasks with subtasks have a small arrow directly to the left of the parent tasks checkbox. It looks like a tiny triangle or chevron. Now, find the parent task that has subtasks underneath it. Once you see it, click the small arrow to the left of the checkbox. As soon as you click it, Todoist will collapse that task group and hide all of the subtasks under it. This gives you a much cleaner layout and lets you focus on the bigger picture without losing any of the details. If you want to view those subtasks again, simply click the same arrow one more time. That will expand the task and reveal everything underneath it. So the action is very simple. Click once to hide, click again to show. This is a great trick when you're dealing with large projects because it helps reduce visual clutter and makes it easier to scan your priorities quickly. Instead of scrolling through every subtask all the time, you can collapse the items you don't need to see right now and expand them whenever you're ready to work on them. One thing to remember is that this only works for parent tasks that actually contain subtasks. If you don't see the arrow, that task probably doesn't have any subtasks attached to it yet. In that case, you would need to add subtasks first before the collapse option appears. So again, the process is simple. Go to list view, look for the small arrow beside the parent task checkbox, click it to hide the subtasks, and click it again whenever you want to bring them back. That's all there is to it. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more Todoist tips, productivity tricks, and step-by-step app guides. And if you want, I can also show you more Todoist tutorials like how to create subtasks, organize projects, or use labels more efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.